In this video, I'll teach you how to set up your standard calendar in Microsoft Project to plan for lots of people being out on PTO from Christmas week through New Year's week. I was teaching a Microsoft Project class recently for a corporate client when a number of my students complained that in their organization, lots of people are gone during Christmas week and New Year's week on PTO. They wondered if there was a way to account for that in the project schedule. Well, of course there is, and in this video, I'll teach you how to do that very thing. So let's get started. In this sample project, please notice the start date of the project is October the 6th of 2025. What I want to do is plan for lots of people being gone during Christmas week and New Year's week of 2025. Here's how to plan for that. Click the Project tab to display the project ribbon, and then click the Change Working Time button to display the Change Working Time dialog. In the calendar grid at the top, scroll down to December and select December 22nd through the 26th. Then in the Exceptions data grid at the bottom, select the first blank row and enter a name for this week-long exception. I'll call it Christmas Week 2025. Then press the Tab key and the right arrow key. Now we can see that the entire week of December 22nd is marked as non-working time. We do have a bit of a challenge, though, with New Year's week because it's broken up over 2 months. Here's how I would handle that. Select December 29th through the 31st, and then in the exceptions grid, type something like this: New Year's week 2025, and then I'm going to put -1 because this will be the first occurrence. Then I'll press the Tab key and the right arrow key, and that marks off the first 3 days. Then I would scroll to January 2026, where I could select January the 2nd, and then I would put in New Year's week 2025-2. Now, if this project extended into 2026 and had to go over Christmas and New Year's of 2026, then I could just scroll the calendar grid to December 2026. I could highlight all of Christmas week, and then in the exceptions grid, I could put in Christmas week 2026, and I could just press the Enter key. And then since I know Friday, January 1st is already marked as a holiday, I could just select December 28th through the 31st, and in the exceptions grid, I could type in New Year's week 2026, press the Enter key, and click the OK button, and the schedule is adjusted accordingly. Now, the process that I just followed creates what I would describe as an overly pessimistic schedule because everybody is marked as being out of the office during Christmas week and New Year's week. But the good news is, for those folks who do come in and work during those 2 weeks, they can report their progress to you, and you can enter that progress in the schedule. It will not prevent you from doing so. Well, now you know how to plan for lots of people being out on PTO during the Christmas New Year's holidays. As always, I trust you found this video helpful to you. If you did, feel free to leave a question or comment in the comment section below. Also, if you'd like to hire me to train the project managers and schedulers in your organization, you can leave a comment to that effect in the comments section and I'll get back to you right away. Please give this video a like, share it with colleagues, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.